just want to get some meat. I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Everything's closed.
No, it's
You go to Cheyenne and get the meat.
Hey! We're all done. We made it. Cat scratch.
Wow. What happened to the can? Where'd it go?
It's on his head. It's on his head.
Can you imagine I got a can in the head?
You try. You try.
Does he need it or I call it kitty cat?
You try.
She ate their morsel.
It's good. Yeah, it's good.
And then Jake.
That's what she thought of your breath. She's not
Can
gonna
you
turn
do
around.
that thing on your head? Bravo, bravo.
Breath.
No, what is that you have? He's like, I'm not talking.
He's a hard-working man, I tell you. He's loading and unloading this truck.
You know,
There you
it's
go.
in your stomach if you want to drink it. It's hot tea. I think I have a pound of tea.
Load it up, Joe. Are you busy? I said no. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's the way it goes.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the way it goes. I see that, yeah. It's the bottom. It's the top. Yeah. It's the bottom. This is top. Top. Hey, Joe. Are you busy? Uh-oh.
No,
I don't think it goes that way.
How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think Daddy's at the door.